Welcome back. Now, one of the applications you have available to you in Microsoft 365 is going to be the Planner application. If you go to your All Applications, you scroll down and you'll look to see the Planner application. You want to click that link. Planner will then open up, and then what you'll do is you will click in. The Planner application is for those on your team to work together in order to establish a plan with things to do for each individual. So what you're going to do first is you're going to click New Plan. You're going to give your plan a name. Now you can set this up so that anyone is connected with you within your organization on Microsoft 365 can see it, or you can make it so that only those that you invite to the plan are going to be able to see its contents. That's typically what you're going to do. You can go into the optional plan description and write it in. Once you do that, you'll then click Create Plan. Then within your private plan, what you'll be able to do is to set up your tasks and then to set the due date and then assign them. When we get ready to make the assignment, we can then click in the email address. Now you'll notice if you write in the email address of an individual that's not part of your team, they will not show up and you will not be able to assign this to them. They will need to be part of your team inside of Microsoft Office 365. And once we've assigned the task, what we can do is we can then click Add Task. And then we can set up our plan based on the tasks that we are planning. We can then organize those tasks by bucket. And what we can do is we can then start adding tasks based on the different buckets. In fact, what we can do is we can edit our existing tasks and add them to the bucket that we have. Team members can then follow the plan as it progresses on the chart. And when tasks are completed, it will reflect inside of the chart. And then the same team will be able to follow the plan as it progresses on the chart as well as the calendar. So the planner will allow those who are connected to you on Microsoft Office 365 to work together on a plan and to do it visually using the planner. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.